First, we'll open the trunk. I'll be using a plastic trim remover tool like this, and we'll punch in the tool on the top right there to pull out the cover first. There it is. That is how we are supposed to take out this plastic cover. Once this plastic cover is taken out, notice there are 2 screws behind that we are supposed to take out. To take out both of those 2 screws, I'll be using an impact gun, an extension, and 8mm socket. There we got the first screw taken out. Second screw is also out. Once both the screws are taken out, now what we'll do is we'll pull out the taillight from the front first, just like that. Then grab it from underneath right here and gently pull it outwards. There it is, the taillight is taken out. Mainly it is holding on to these 2 brackets into these 2 holes. Behind the taillight there are some plugs that we are supposed to take out. One plug is right there. Just press and hold that tab of the plug right there and then pull it outwards. Plug is out. Now we'll take out this bracket right here. I found this bracket a little stiff, so I'll be using a metal clip remover tool to pull it outwards. There it is. The clip is also taken out. Similar step needs to be done on the other bracket, which is right there. There it is. The second bracket is also out. Just remember there are 2 brackets holding on to these 2 spots. Here would be the final plug. Again, just press and hold that tab of the plug and then pull it outwards. There's the plug taken out. Just to show you guys one more time, press and hold this tab of the plug right here and then pull it outwards. Once all the plugs and clips are taken out, this is how you're supposed to take out the complete taillight. In my case, the taillight is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new taillight and you want to install it back, we'll go ahead and punch in the plugs behind. There's one plug right here and the other plug right there. The black color plug needs to go in this spot right here. Once in position, then we will just press it all the way down. Then this clip is supposed to be punched in right here. All you have to do is just push it all the way down. That clip is also in. Now the second plug is supposed to go right here. Just make sure the tab side is facing upside. We punch in the plug and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. That plug is also in. Now we'll punch in the final clip right here. Once everything is installed perfectly fine from behind, now we'll go ahead and install this tail light back. Just make sure on the edge of the tail light there are 2 pointers coming out. These 2 pointers are supposed to go into these 2 spots right there. We'll carefully punch in the tail light, keeping in mind those 2 pointers. Once in position, then we will just give it a push from this side. That's in. Also seams in from the front. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the screws. To tighten the screws back, first I'll just manually punch in the screws just like that. Once the screw is in position, then I'll go ahead and use a tool like this. It's a socket wrench, an extension, and 8mm socket. I would not recommend to tighten with a gun because sometimes tightening with a gun may end up breaking the tabs of the tail light, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. There it is. We got the first screw tight. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the second screw on top. Again, I manually punch in the screw first and then bring in the tool to tighten it all the way till the very end. Second screw is also tight. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this plastic cover back where we took it out from. Just notice behind this cover there are 2 tabs coming out right here. These 2 tabs are supposed to go into one position right here and the other position right there. Also notice there are 2 more tabs coming out. Both of them are supposed to go into one spot right here and the other spot right there. So we will go ahead and punch in this cover, keeping in mind all those positions. Once the cover is aligned, then we will just press it down until we hear a clicking sound. Cover is in. Now just making sure one more time if it's completely in position, and it seems like it has been installed perfectly fine. With that, we are done with the replacement of tail light completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.